In this video, I'll show you how to use pivot tables in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and make sure your data is organized with clear column headers. Next, select any cell inside your data, then click Insert and choose Pivot Table. Decide whether you want to place the pivot table in a new sheet or the existing one, then click Create. Now, use the Pivot Table editor on the right side of the screen. Add fields to the Rows section to organize your data, then add fields to the Values section to calculate totals, counts, averages, or other summaries. You can also use the Columns and Filters sections to group and filter your data. After that, continue adjusting the fields until your pivot table displays the information you need. Any changes you make in the editor will update the pivot table automatically. Finally, review your results and use your pivot table to quickly analyze large amounts of data, identify trends, and create reports without changing your original dataset. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use pivot tables in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.